Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to work into the front loop only of your work. So what I've done is another piece of crochet I've been working on. I've decided to join a different colour to show you the stitches, so don't worry about what's going on over here. So normally when you work a crochet stitch you go through the whole stitch, which if you look at the top you see these V's here. You would normally put your hook under both loops of that V and finish your stitch. And if we do a normal double crochet, it looks something like that. Excuse my yarn splitting. If we're doing the front loop only, this is the back loop, this is the front loop. The front is the front of the work as it's facing you. So for me, it's here. You're going to insert your hook under just that first loop, so your hook comes out of the middle of the stitch. Yarn round and finish your stitch. And I'll show you again. There's your V, under just the front loop and pull round. Now you can do any stitch in this way, so I'll just demonstrate with a treble there. And what this does is, if you can see the difference, this was my normal stitch and these are my front loops only. It sort of just pulls the stitch a little bit higher, and from the back of the work it creates a little bit of a ridge. But I'll make sure to link in the description below how to do a back loop as well. Make sure you're checking out both our left and right handed videos, whichever one you need. But hopefully that's helped clear things up a bit for you. Thank you.